I needed to do something to motivate them to work harder because their productivity had fallen to an all-time low, which with these guys is saying a lot. Well, I got my one machine, old Red, but I may not have to buy so many others. If y'all would actually work, the machines and the men could work together, right? So I tapped into their fear of being replaced with technology, which wasn't too hard to do. So it looks like Terminator Day of Judgment may wait a while because the humans are doing good. But it still could happen, though, so work hard.